Hello, this is AJ Studio and welcome back, and today we are going to see how we are going to have how to open a program in Visual Studio, how do you add a breakpoints to that, and all the things we are going to see. So I'm going to type a very simple Visual Studio which is over here. I'll click on this. So Visual Studio has opened. So what will I do is first is how to run a program in Visual Studio. C++ program you can run, and you can even put breakpoints for that, and you can debug the program, or what you call as tracing the program. So click on new project. Here click on Win32 console application. Here you give what program you want to do. So I'll give as something like a sample. I'll give as sample. Then make sure it Win32 console application, okay, and it should be in Visual C++. So if it is a C or C++ program, if any other thing means you can click on any other. So since it is a C or C++, so this one, so you can see here Visual C++, a sample. So I'll press on OK. So it will ask for this one, so press on next, and here make sure additional options I don't want empty, and finish it, and it should be a console application. So here you can see over here it's sample and it's a source file. Click on source file and add new item. Here make sure you click on C++ file. Here I'm going to add two numbers, let's consider. So I'll give as the name as add. You can give whatever name you want according to the program. Afterwards a file explorer will open where you can type over here, or you can copy paste the program, whichever you have. So here you can type the program. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to I'll just copy this first, and afterwards we'll see a simple program to add two numbers. I'm not going to waste the time on typing. So just I copied this, and make sure you save all, okay, otherwise you can press Ctrl S, not a problem. Afterwards it's very simple. The program has been copied, and you can start a debug. So after debugging it will take some time, and you will get the output. Enter two integers, 2 and 3. I'll press and enter. Of course 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So you got the output. Now this is not the thing what you need. So what you need is you need to trace this program, how this program flows. So how I'm going to do that? Very simple. You have to add the breakpoints. It's very simple. Over here you can see a blank space over here in the side, okay, left side, and all you need to click is go just mouse over and click on this. You can see there are breakpoints. These red balls are what you call breakpoints. You add this wherever you want. You add this till the end of the program, and the breakpoints, these are breakpoints. So these are breakpoints. So you have added sufficient number of breakpoints wherever you want. Now it's very simple. Again save, and now try to debug the program. If you debug the program, it will not show the output. So what it is showing to do is int main. It will go to the int main. So if I click on once again, it will go to the printf, enter two integers and two numbers and sum. So afterwards it will ask for two numbers, that is number 1 and number 2. So you should scan this. After scan, you can see over here it is going to this line, and you are going to scan, and I'll press once again, and it will ask two numbers. I'll press 2 and 3, and I'll press enter. So you can see here number 1 is 2, number 2 is 3. It came to this line. So num1 is 2, okay, and num2 is 3. So afterwards again continue. You can see over here sum is 5 because calculation has happened here. Now it is going to print. So you can num2, number 2 and sum. So this is the fashion it will get printed. So till we will see what is the output. Till now output has not came. What will I do is I'll press continue, You can see now afterwards it is in get ch line. Now you can see 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Again I'll press continue. So this is the program and this is how you have to trace it. Just you have to add the breakpoints. So maybe afterwards everything is finished. If you want to disable or if you want to remove it, you can see here delete all the breakpoints in debug option, or you can disable it. If you disable it, the breakpoints will be there but the things will be disabled. It's something like delete and disable. Okay, so now if I save and debug, it will directly go for output. So if you want to, once again, if you want to enable it, just enable all the breakpoints. Once enabled, now you press on debug, again it will do the same thing as like previous. So if you want to stop the debugging, you can press on this stop debugging. This is the way you can add breakpoints and see how the program flows. And today this is it, and we saw how we can debug the program using Visual Studio. Thank you and all.